Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Hafiana. Cooking rice. What are you cooking? Who is cooking the rice? Where do you cook the rice? When do you actually cook rice? Why are you cooking rice today? Which rice do you prefer to cook? Whose dish are you asking to cook the rice? Whom do you cook rice for? How do you cook the rice perfectly? Is cooking rice ice? Are you cooking rice now? Right now? Do you cook rice every day? What do you ask to cook rice to have? Uh, have you cooked rice before? What have you prepared to cook the rice? Frying fish. What are you frying? What is frying the fish? Where do you fry the fish? When will you fry the fish? Why are you frying the fish? Which fish do you prefer to fry? Whose pan are you asking to fry the fish? Whom will you serve the fried fish to? How do you fry the fish properly? Is frying fish difficult? Are you frying fish now? Do you fry fish often? How do you fry the fish to make it crispy? Have you ever fried fish before? What have you done to prepare the fish for frying? Making cake. What are you making? Who is making the cake? Where do you actually make cake? When will you make the cake? Why are you making a cake today? Which recipe do you ask to make the cake? Whose idea was it to make it cake? Whom will you serve the cake to? How do you make a delicious cake? Is making a cake easy for you? Are you making a cake now? Do you often make cake at home? What do you need to make the cake? Have you made a cake before? What have you prepared to make the cake? Washing dishes. What are you washing? Who is washing the dishes? Where do you actually wash the dishes? When will you wash the dishes? Why are you washing the dishes now? Which sponge do you ask to wash the dish? Whose turn is it to wash the dishes? Whom do you help with washing the dishes? How do you wash the dishes eventually? Is washing dishes tiring for you? Are you washing the dish now? Do you wash dishes every day? What do you ask to wash the dish? Have you finished washing the dish? What have you done to clean off the dish properly? Cooking vegetables. What are you cooking? Who is cooking the vegetables? Where do you actually cook vegetables? When will you cook the vegetables? Why are you cooking vegetables today? Which vegetables are you cooking? Whose recipe are you asking to cook the vegetables? Whom will you serve the cooked vegetables to? How do you cook the vegetables to make them delicious? Is cooking vegetables healthy? Are you cooking vegetables now? Do you often cook vegetables at home? What do you ask to cook the vegetables? Have you cooked vegetables before? What have you prepared to cook the vegetables? Washing clothes. What are you washing? Who is washing the clothes? Where do you actually wash clothes? When do you plan to wash the clothes? Why are you washing the clothes today? Which detergent do you use to wash clothes? Whose clothes are you washing? Whom do you help with washing clothes? How do you wash clothes with the mic time? Is washing clothes a difficult task for you? Are you washing clothes now? Do you wash clothes every week? What do you ask to wash the clothes? Have you already washed the clothes? What have you prepared before washing the clothes? Frying chicken. What are you frying? Who is frying the chicken? Where do you actually fry the chicken? When will you fry the chicken? Why are you frying chicken today? Which speech do you ask to fry the chicken? Whose recipe are you asking to fry the chicken? Whom do you cook fried chicken for? How do you fry chicken so that's crispy? Is frying chicken easy for you? Are you frying chicken now? Do you fry chicken often? What do you need to fry the chicken? Have you ever fried chicken before? What have you prepared to fry the chicken? Cleaning kitchen. What are you cleaning? Who is cleaning the kitchen? Where do you actually start when cleaning the kitchen? When will you clean the kitchen? Why are you cleaning the kitchen today? Which cleaning tools do you ask for the kitchen? Whose responsibility is it to clean the kitchen? Whom do you ask to help clean the kitchen? How do you clean the kitchen thoroughly? Is cleaning the kitchen thing for you? Are you cleaning the kitchen now? Do you clean the kitchen every day? What do you ask to clean the kitchen? Have you finished cleaning the kitchen? What have you done to ensure the kitchen is spotless? Cooking for dinner. What are you cooking for dinner? Who is cooking dinner tonight? Where do you actually cook dinner? When will you start cooking dinner? Why are you cooking dinner yourself? Which recipe are you asking for dinner? Whose favorite dish are you cooking for dinner? Whom are you inviting to have dinner with you? How do you plan to cook a delicious dinner? Is cooking dinner enjoyable for you? Are you cooking dinner now? Do you cook dinner every day? What do you actually prepare for dinner? Have you decided what to cook for dinner? What have you prepared for tonight's dinner? Breakfast. What are you cooking for breakfast? Who is cooking breakfast today? Where do you actually cook breakfast? When do you start cooking breakfast? Why are you cooking breakfast this morning? Which ingredients do you need for breakfast? Whose recipe are you asking to cook breakfast? Whom do you cook breakfast for? How do you cook healthy breakfast? Is cooking breakfast part of your daily routine? Are you cooking breakfast now? Do you cook breakfast every morning? What do you actually cook for breakfast? Have you decided what to cook for breakfast? What have you prepared for breakfast? Store made. Who is responsible for storing the meat in the freezer? What is the best way to store meat to keep it fresh? Where do you store the meat after buy it? When should we store the meat in the freezer? Why do you need to store meat at a low temperature? Which container do you ask to store the meat? Whose responsibility is it to store the meat properly? When did you store the meat for? How do you store meat to prevent it from spoiling? The meat is being stayed in the freezer. It is important to store the meat at the right temperature. Do you store your meat in an right container? She does not store meat properly, which causes it to spoil quickly. I have stored the meat in the freezer to keep fresh. She has a habit of storing meat in vacuum-sealed bags. Boiling the egg. Who is boiling the egg in the kitchen? What is the prepare? Why to boil egg? Where do you boil the egg, on the stove or in a kettle? When salt, we remove the egg from the boiling water. Why do we add salt to the water when boiling eggs? Which types of eggs are better for boiling, fresh or old? Whose idea was it to boil egg for breakfast? Whom did you use the egg for? How do you boil eggs so they pale easily? The eggs are being boiled for breakfast. It is important to boil the egg for the right amount of time. Do you boil eggs with or with the lid? She does not boil eggs properly, so the yolks are often off cold. I have boiled 6 eggs for lunch. She has a habit of boiling eggs every morning. Gargling fish. Who is gargling the fish for dinner? What kind of fish are you gargling? Where do you grill fish on a stove or in oven? When will the grilled fish be ready to serve? Why do you add lemon when grilling fish? Which season do you pick for grilling fish? Whose recipe are you following for grilling the fish? Whom are you grilling the fish for? How do you grill fish when it's sticking to the grill? The fish is being grilled with herb and spices. It is important to prep the grill before grilling fish. Do you grill fish with or with the skin? She does not grill fish often because she prefers frying it. I have grilled a whole fish for the party. She has a habit of grilling fish on weekends. Steaming cake. Who is steaming the cake in the kitchen? What type of a cake are you steaming today? Where do you stand cake, in a pot or steamer? When will the steamed cake be ready? Why do you prefer steaming cake instead of baking them? Which recipe do you ask for steaming cake? Whose idea was it to steam this cake? Whom are you steaming the cake for? How do you steam a cake with it becoming soggy? The cake is being steamed to perfection. It is essential to cover the lid with a cloth while steaming a cake. Do you steam cake often at home. She does not steam cake because she prefers baking. I have steamed a chocolate cake for dessert. She has a habit of steaming cake for special occasions. Stirring the vegetables. Who is stirring the vegetables on the stove? What vegetables are you stirring? Where do you actually stir fry vegetables? When salt, you stir the vegetables while cooking. Why do you need to stir the vegetable frequently? Which spice do you add when stirring vegetables? Whose recipe are you following for stirring vegetables? Whom are you preparing their stirred vegetables for? How do you stir vegetables to keep them crunchy? The vegetables are being stirred with garlic and oil. It is important to stir the vegetables every for better cooking. Do you stir the vegetables continuously while cooking? She does not stir the vegetables not so they get burned. I have stirred the vegetables thoroughly before serving. She has a habit of stirring vegetables with minimal oil. Cutting the fruit. Who is cutting the fruit for the salad? What kind of fruit are you cutting? Where do you actually cut the fruits? When will you cut fruit for dessert? Why do you need to cut the fruit into small pieces? Which knife do you use to cut the fruits? Whose idea was it to make a fruit litter? Whom are you cutting the fruit for? How do you cut fruit evenly for decoration? The fruit are being cut into small pieces for something. It is important to use a sharp knife cutting fruit. Do you fruit before serving them? She does not cut the fruit evenly, so the litter look messy. I have cut all the fruit for the juice. She has a habit of cutting fruit in the morning for breakfast. Washing vegetables. Who is washing the vegetables for dinner? What vegetables are you washing? Where do you actually wash vegetables? In the sink or bowl? When do you wash the vegetables before cooking? Why do you wash vegetables before cooking them? Which vegetables do you wash first? Leafy, garnish, or root vegetables? Whose turn it to wash the vegetables today? Whom are you washing the vegetables for? How do you wash leafy vegetables to remove dirt properly? The vegetables are being washed thoroughly before cooking. It is important to wash vegetables under running water. Do you wash vegetables with or with soap? She does not wash vegetables careful, so some dirt remains. I have cut all the vegetables for the salad. He has a habit of washing vegetables right after buying them. Pounding the chilies. Who is pounding the chilies for the sambal? What kind of chilies are you pounding? Where do you actually pound the chilies, in a mortar or a blender? When do you add the chili paste to the dish? Why do you pound chilies instead of chopping them? Which pestle do you use to pound the chilies, the big one or the small one? Whose recipe are you following for pound the chilies? Whom are you preparing the chili paste for? How do you pound the chilies without making the paste too watery? The chilies are being pounded into a fine paste. It is important to pound the chilies gently to prevent the flavor. Do you pound the chilies by hand or as a machine? He does not pound the chili friendly so that paste is too coarse. I have pounded the chili for the sauce. She has a habit of pounding chili every morning for cooking. The speeches. What do you ask to green the speeches? Who will green the speech today? Where shall we green the speeches? When will you finish green the speeches? Why do we need to green the speeches until smooth? Which speakers need to be ground first? Host receive requests finally grown speeches. Whom do you actually ask to green the speeches? How do you green the speeches to get the right texture? Is the speeches mixture smooth? Now are 3 speeches ready to ground? Do you actually green speeches with a blender or a mortar? Does green the speeches this way make it smoother? Have you tried guarding the speeches manually? Has anyone helped you with reading the speeches? Chop the meat. What do you ask to chop the meat? Who will chop the meat for the recipe? Where salt I chop the meat to keep it clean? When do we need to clip the meat? Why is it important to chop the meat finely? Which type of knife is best for chopping meat? Whose responsibility is it to chop the meat today? Whom should we ask to chop the meat? How do you chop the meat into small even pieces? Is the meat chopped finely? No. Are you using the correct knife for chopping the meat? Do you actually chop the meat by hand or a machine? Does chopping the meat this way make it easier to cook? Have you chopped the meat for the recipe? Has anyone shown you how to chop meat properly? Stir fry the vegetables. What ingredients do you need to stir fry the vegetables? Who will stir fry the vegetables for dinner? Where do you actually stir fry vegetables? When should I start stir frying the vegetables? Why is it better to stir fry vegetables over heat? Which vegetables should we stir fry first? Whose idea was it to make stir-fried vegetables? Whom can we ask for tips on stir-frying vegetables? How do you keep the vegetables crispy while stir-frying? Is the pan hot enough to stir-fry the vegetables? Are the vegetables cooked evenly? Do you often stir-fry vegetables with oil or butter? Does stir-frying keep the vegetables fresher? Have you prepared all the vegetables for stir-frying? Has the seasoning been added to the stir-fried vegetables?